I think I would consider myself more of a doer, and my husband, I guess, would think he's more of the doer, but he's honestly more the dreamer.
I think I'm more of a dreamer, and my dream is basically to stay up on technology and the technological advances. I came down for the additive manufacturing seminar because that's something I've kind of had on my radar for the last couple of years. And I'm sure that's something that I'll probably look at again this year because I know there's been a lot of advances made. We do a lot of weird shaped parts. It's not just a simple, vice job, or that's one of the things that I'm looking at additive manufacturing for.
I've talked about how the younger generation, and I think additive manufacturing, the one younger employee that we do have, that's something he's very interested in, and so you give them that purpose of, okay, this is going to be your thing, kind of, and roll with it, see what he comes up with. Every day brings on new challenges.
So I think we got an advantage being a small shop to a certain point. We can look at stuff quicker and make a decision a lot quicker.
I think the customer right now too is so used to everything coming so instantaneously with the way the world is changing. Everybody wants everything fast, and the technology is what's going to make everything faster, so got to stay up on it.
Driving you and your crew to get your wheels turning. This is how we roll, where dreamers and doers connect.